Imagine a car so revolutionary, it's almost unrecognizable from its predecessor. Welcome to the 2026 Toyota Corolla, a game-changer that's redefining the compact car segment. At first glance, the Corolla looks sharper and more aggressive than ever before. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with slimmer LED headlights, a wider grille, and sporty accents that give it a more premium dynamic feel. But it's not just about looks. The Corolla's powertrain options have also been upgraded, with a fuel-efficient 2.0L dynamic force engine that produces around 169 horsepower. And for the first time ever, a hybrid model with improved battery efficiency and electric motor tuning. This means better performance, better traction, and yes, still class-leading fuel economy. Toyota continues its mission toward electrification while maintaining its stronghold in the compact car segment. Now, let's talk about what's happening inside the cabin. The 2026 Corolla has been transformed with a larger 12.3-inch digital driver display, which pairs seamlessly with a new 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen featuring Toyota's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with cloud-based navigation and over-the-air updates. The seats are more supportive, and premium materials have been added across the trim levels, giving the Corolla an upscale vibe. And to top it all off, there's even ambient lighting. But here's the thing, the Corolla's transformation goes far beyond just aesthetics and powertrain upgrades. Let's talk about safety. The 2026 Corolla includes Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, which features adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and the new proactive driving assist system. This means the car can gently assist with braking and steering when it senses pedestrians or curves ahead, pushing the envelope for safety in a compact sedan. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about practicality? Well, the Corolla remains as dependable as ever. There's decent trunk space, good rear seat leg room, and a suspension setup that balances comfort with confident handling. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on a weekend trip, the Corolla has your back. So, what does this mean for you? If you're in the market for a compact car that delivers modern features without breaking the bank, the 2026 Corolla should definitely be on your list. But here's the thing, this car is not just for Corolla fans. It's for anyone who wants a car that's smart, bold, and technologically advanced. And with its impressive fuel efficiency, safety features, and affordability, it's a game-changer in the compact car segment. But let's dive even deeper into what makes the Corolla so special. We'll explore the nuances of its powertrain options, the innovative safety features, and the cutting-edge technology that's packed into this car. So, stay tuned and get ready to discover why the 2026 Toyota Corolla is the ultimate compact car for the modern driver. As we take a closer look at the Corolla's powertrain options, you'll notice that the dynamic force engine is not just efficient, but also incredibly responsive. The hybrid model, on the other hand, offers a seamless transition between electric and gasoline power, making it perfect for city driving or long road trips. And with its improved battery efficiency, you can expect even better fuel economy. But what really sets the Corolla apart is its safety features. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies that work together to prevent accidents and protect you and your passengers. From adaptive cruise control to lane keep assist, the Corolla has got you covered. And with its proactive driving assist system, the car can even anticipate and respond to potential hazards, giving you peace of mind on the road. As we explore the Corolla's innovative safety features, you'll see just how far Toyota has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a compact car. From its advanced sensors and cameras to its sophisticated software, the Corolla's safety tech is truly state-of-the-art. And with its 5-star safety rating, you can trust that this car will keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. So, what's next for the Corolla? As we take a closer look at its cutting-edge technology, you'll see just how much this car has to offer. From its intuitive infotainment system to its advanced driver assistance features, the Corolla is truly a car of the future. And with its impressive fuel efficiency, safety features, and affordability, it's a game-changer in the compact car segment. The 2026 Toyota Corolla is not just an update, it's a transformation. It retains everything people love about the Corolla: affordability, efficiency, and reliability, but wraps it in a smarter, bolder, and more tech-savvy package. If you're in the market for a compact car that delivers modern features without breaking the bank, the 2026 Corolla should definitely be on your list. Safety, technology, and practicality. The 2026 Corolla is a masterclass in balancing safety, technology, and practicality. One of the key features that sets it apart is Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. This advanced system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new proactive driving assist system. The latter is particularly impressive, as it can gently assist with braking and steering when it senses pedestrians or curves ahead. This technology is a major breakthrough in safety for compact sedans, and it's going to change the way we drive. But what's even more exciting is the proactive driving assist system's ability to anticipate and respond to potential hazards. Imagine being on a winding road, and the Corolla's system takes over to slow down the car and steer it around a curve. It's like having a co-pilot who's always looking out for you. This level of safety and convenience is truly game-changing. Now, let's talk about practicality. The Corolla remains dependable and reliable, with decent trunk space, good rear seat leg room, and a suspension setup that balances comfort with confident handling. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on a weekend trip, the Corolla has got your back. And with its improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, you can feel good about your daily drive. So, what does this mean for you? Let's explore the real-world implications of the 2026 Corolla's transformation. For one, it's going to change the way we think about safety in compact cars. No longer will we have to compromise on style and features for the sake of safety. The Corolla has proven that you can have it all: safety, technology, and practicality without breaking the bank. But here's the thing, the 2026 Corolla is not just a car, it's a movement. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. And with its sleek design, advanced technology, and impressive safety features, it's going to be a disruptor in the compact car segment. So, are you ready to experience the future of driving? Let's discuss. WHYTHE 2026 Toyota Corolla is a game changer. The 2026 Toyota Corolla is a game changer because it's not just a car, it's a statement of intent from Toyota to lead the charge in electrification and innovation. With its bold new design and cutting-edge tech, this Corolla is poised to shake up the compact car segment. But what's behind this transformation? Toyota's commitment to sustainability and innovation is driving the development of more efficient powertrains, like the 2.0L dynamic force engine and the hybrid WDD version. These advancements not only reduce emissions but also provide better performance and traction. But it's not just about the tech, it's also about the people. Toyota knows that younger buyers are looking for style and substance, and the 2026 Corolla delivers. With its premium materials, supportive seats, and upscale vibe, this car is designed to appeal to a new generation of drivers. And with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air updates, the Corolla is more connected and convenient than ever. So, what's next? How can you experience the thrill of the 2026 Corolla for yourself? Stay tuned for our in-depth review and test drive updates, where we'll take you on a closer look at this revolutionary car. With its perfect blend of style, substance, and sustainability, the 2026 Toyota Corolla is a must-drive for anyone in the market for a compact car that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible.